Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse. Man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words, and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have.
Ito yung pong ulam namin sa tanghalian. Hinagang talong with ampalaya. Nagpinitas ko. Yan. Tsaka yun, siomay. Sayang naman po. Kung di ko pa iluluto. Masarap naman po. Sa tanghalian. Yan. Yan po ang ulam namin ngayong tanghali. Okay lang naman po yan, di po ba? Oras na po kasi, di na kami makapagluto ng may sabaw. Yan na lang po, pwede na po yan. Ulam na po to. Yan. Sausawan namin yan, suka. Suka na may alamang. Okay. Yan po.
Worth working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm